videos out here. Go inside. Okay, so, today is March 20th, 2024, and I know my voice might sound messed up. Probably because of my allergies, and I've been getting, my eyes have been getting, red. We have quite a windstorm going on. See, some storm clouds, sort of. It was 57 degrees today, the high, and that kind of sucks because it's not enough for there to be thunderstorms. However, I'm sure if it was maybe 65 or above, there might be a higher risk for thunderstorms. Where's all that barking coming from? Bunch of barking dogs. And it's also really cold out here. I'm kind of pissed off because, as you know, on Friday it was 72, but there were not thunderstorms. There were thunderstorms, and the day before there were thunderstorms as close as, well, there were thunderstorms in Ohio, but they didn't move. There were actually tornadoes in Ohio and in the Northeast, but unfortunately they were too short to reach us, and they ended up missing us by far. They weren't even close to our area or areas around us. We pretty much got nothing here, which really sucks. I mean, we got some rain showers, but that's it. We probably barely had any rain showers, which kind of sucks because I was hoping for some thunderstorms, but the cold front wasn't strong enough for there to be thunderstorms, which kind of sucks. It's currently 7:20 p.m. right now. You know what also sucks? Is that there's not going to be any thunderstorms this month, I don't think. Well, there were 3 lightning strikes on pretty close to our area, but still not in our area. My sleeve is covering my watch, but it's 7:21. Oh, here comes a gust. What was I saying? There were 3 lightning strikes on March 9th, but that really was nothing to get on video. So here comes a gust. There's our flag. It really sucks that, well, it sucks for me. It probably is good for other local residents, but it sucks for me that there hasn't been a single lightning strike this year in this area that I can get on video. It really sucks that we're not getting any I was hoping for some thunderstorms in February. And if not, I was thinking maybe since we didn't get any storms in March last year, I think maybe we could get some thunderstorms this March, but unfortunately it's not looking like that. So if you live around here and you're a weather enthusiast, I wouldn't expect thunderstorms this month. And the weather forecast for the rest of this month shows a lot of rain, but no thunderstorms. The weather forecast for my area is showing it's showing rain, but unfortunately it's not showing any thunderstorms. Which means we're probably not going to get thunderstorms. Which really kind of sucks, but hopefully we can get thunderstorms in April, like when it warms up. Overall, this spring we're looking at above average temperatures. Not most above average, but like moderately above average. Which hopefully means that thunderstorms will occur, because we didn't get any thunderstorms in May last year. We did get a few storms last April. I have good memories of 2023. That's why I missed 2023. One of the reasons is because that awesome severe weather. But yeah, unfortunately, we haven't really. We got thunderstorms in March 2022, but unfortunately, we didn't get any in March 2023. But hopefully, if the temperatures are above average, we get thunderstorms. Probably starting next month. If not, then thunderstorms in months like July, they're not impressive or mind-blowing, because that's when thunderstorms are pretty common. Still, I try to get as many on video as possible, but when we get thunderstorms in the early season, then that's when it's more interesting. So hopefully we're looking at thunderstorms pretty soon. I'm gonna go inside now because it is pretty cold. So yeah, goodbye. I got some videos to upload.